Well, good afternoon from Two Happy Children Farm. I'm in the cornfield, and we've got quite a different year going on this year compared to last year. We're at dent right now, and last year when you look down the row we were green from bottom to top, and this year this has been 14 days now over 100 degrees. Right now I'm recording, it's 98 degrees, and we're rapidly shutting down if we haven't already. Take a look. I think this is kind of an example ear. Probably puts me at 110 bushels or so, and it's denting. Couldn't quite reach it on the pollination, and then also aborted. Looks like we were up to here and then we aborted back from there. So this crop has only had 4.5 inches of rain during the growing season. First rain came 3 weeks after planting, and we planted. It was a little wet and tacky, but not muddy at all. But really haven't been helped much by the rain this year. Looking at my cover crop here, you can see where I had problems with emergence. Just keeping the planter in the ground this year through the mat, I think, was a challenge. And overall, I could have used a lot more down pressure. So something I'm looking at for next year is improving my planter, or maybe changing it as regards to down pressure. So this is the field pea cover crop. You can still see plenty of residue. Kind of a neat shot there down the row as everything's firing up from the bottom. And we still have a good cover on the ground. This hasn't been decomposing yet. You got nice good cracks there. Hard soil cracks a lot when it's dry. Oh, that's a good one. That's the kind you lose your phone down. So this has happened before. 2018 we were wet all the way, and then we shut off from tasseling through harvest and didn't get an inch of rain. So this is kind of similar. It's probably a little helpful that it was dry in the beginning. Let the roots get in there deep instead of flooding. But we'll be looking at what to do for next year. For sure, I didn't use all my nitrogen this year, and we'll see if I can do something about that. But that's an update. We're denting, so I guess around 2,200 heat units. Last year, the satellite shots of the farm, we were showing 10s on all of the recce readings, which is a reading for chlorophyll. And right now most of the farm is sunk down to about 7 in the best spots, and some of the worst spots are in the 2 to 3 range. Neighboring fields are, some of them are yellow all the way through all the way to the canopy. So tough year. You really can't do anything when you have this kind of heat during this time of maturity for the crop. And with only 4.5 inches of rain, I guess this is pretty actually amazing that it went this far. So thanks for watching, and maybe we'll update at harvest.